My name is Arunabh. Uh, I am a cross-country motorcyclist. I have ridden from Bangalore to Bangkok on the TVS 100cc Star City back in 2015. It was across India, Myanmar and Thailand, across 8 Indian states and about 7,000 kilometers. And this was on the 110cc TVS Star City. I'm also instructor at GreyAtom Analytics. I mentor their weekend batches, and I also occasionally mentor their hackathons as well. The journey with GreyAtom has been brilliant for 2 reasons. Firstly, you get to interact with the data science community on a daily basis, which is something which is kind of rare when you're doing a daily job. The other reason is GreyAtom is really, recently, for instance, when I tried to do this mountaineering thing, when I attempted this mountaineering summit thing, GreyAtom really wanted to be associated with that, and they came in all along, and they really supported me along the entire way, for the equipment and the flight tickets and all of that. So that has been a great experience. I attempted to summit 6,000 mountains in under 11 days. It was basically to set a record.